children of the King, a kingdom of priests, His praises we sing. In His praise we stand so tall. In a fight we answer His call. With faith in our hearts we rise above, in the kingdom of priests filled with His love. Our hands are lifted, our voices sing to the glory of the one, our Savior, our King.
Through trials and storms we stand strong, in His presence where we belong.
A royal priesthood,
His light we bear, guiding the lost with love and care.
we are His people, chosen and free. In the kingdom of priests His power we see. His word is our shield, His love is our guide. In His holy kingdom we forever reside. Kingdom of priests, we lift Your praise. With hearts of in the kingdom of peace,
we are made whole.
bound by Your Spirit,
You heal every soul.
we rise with Your power,
Stand in Your might,
shining Your love.
we walk in Your love.
Kingdom of priests, we lift Your name.
We lift Your name,
With hearts of worship,
forever proclaim.
so ever proclaim. Holy and righteous,
Holy and righteous,
we stand in Your grace.
stand in Your grace.
Kingdom of priests, we seek Your face. Kingdom of priests, we seek